So we'll go ahead with the unboxing. Z2 in white color. So you can see some major specs written on the back: tri-luminous display, Clarity engine, 4K recording, Android. The MRP surprisingly is mentioned as 49,990, but we got it for very cheap on Flipkart, 41,390 itself. So we'll unbox. We've got a good sizzle knife. Unboxes. Cut to the seal. Okay. So here's the phone itself, wrapped up, all white, very clean. Keep this to the side moment and we'll see what's all in the box. Okay, so this time the further inclusion what we see is the Sony in-ear plugs, which were not there in the previous box which they had offered. Extra ear tips, some documentation and stuff. This is for the Sony smartwatch actually, which we do have. Xperia lounge or shit documentation, which we don't require. Except for that, nothing else. Warranty certification, SAR information. This is the USB cable itself, same one which we got the previous one, and the 3-pin wall plug adapter, USB on the one side, Sony branding. So that's all what comes in the box. We just arrange it properly. You can see it's a big mess now. The earphones are a good addition. Okay. Angle plug, 90-degree angle plug, very good. In-ear tips. That's all for the unboxing. Hope you see you in the next one.